In this video we can talk about top 5 GetResponse alternatives and competitors. Hey there, welcome to Alternatives Co. channel. If you're searching for a solid alternative to GetResponse, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll introduce you to the top 5 alternatives that can cater to your email marketing needs. So, let's dive in and explore the amazing features these platforms have to offer. Hey, good to have you back again on our Alternatives Co. channel. In this video, we are going to discuss the best alternatives to GetResponse that will help you find the ideal fit for your business. So, join us as we uncover the incredible features of the top 5 alternatives of GetResponse, which are Brevo, MailerLite, Mailchimp, ConvertKit, and ConstantContact. Without further ado, let's dive into this insightful showcase of the best GetResponse alternatives. Let's start with Brevo. Brevo is a comprehensive email marketing platform that enables businesses to create, send, and track engaging email campaigns. It offers features like deal pipelines, SMS marketing, email marketing, and WhatsApp campaigns. With its intuitive interface and powerful automation features, Brevo makes it easy for you to design visually appealing emails and target specific customer segments. One standout feature of Brevo is its advanced personalization capabilities, allowing you to deliver highly tailored content to your subscribers. Next up is MailerLite. Designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs, MailerLite is a user-friendly email marketing tool with an array of features. Some of its key features like email verifier automation, newsletter editors, and website builder. MailerLite also offers powerful automation workflows, allowing you to send targeted messages based on subscriber behavior. And one of the standout features of MailerLite is its built-in landing page editor, which helps you create attractive landing pages to convert visitors into subscribers. Moving on to Mailchimp. Mailchimp is a widely popular email marketing platform used by businesses of all sizes. It offers features like A/B testing, personalized onboarding, and pre-built templates. With Mailchimp, you can design professional email campaigns and gain valuable insights into your audience. One of the standout features that sets Mailchimp apart is its extensive integration ecosystem, allowing seamless connections with various third-party applications and services. Next up we have ConvertKit. ConvertKit is an email marketing solution primarily focused on content creators, bloggers, and online entrepreneurs. It offers features like Creator Network, Email Designer, email marketing, and visual automations. Its emphasis on simplicity and automation enables users to effortlessly create and deliver targeted email campaigns. One of the standout features of ConvertKit is its visual automation builder, enabling you to create complex email sequences with ease. Last but not least, we have ConstantContact. ConstantContact is an all-in-one email marketing platform suitable for small businesses and nonprofits. It offers a range of features like marketing automation, SMS marketing, customizable forms, and email monitoring. With ConstantContact, you can track your email campaign's performance through detailed reports, manage contacts, and engage with your audience on social media. And one of the standout features of ConstantContact is its event management feature, which allows you to create and promote events, send invitations, and track registrations. Compared to GetResponse, Brevo provides intuitive email design tools, allowing you to create visually appealing emails without requiring extensive design skills. MailerLite's affordability, especially for businesses with smaller subscriber lists, makes it an attractive alternative. Mailchimp excels in its extensive collection of integrations with various e-commerce platforms, CRMs, and content management systems. ConvertKit excels in handling complex automation sequences, allowing you to efficiently nurture your audience and automate the marketing processes. ConstantContact focuses more on event management and frequently organizes events to let you have a unified platform for your marketing efforts. Based on the comparisons, we would recommend Mailchimp as the best alternative to GetResponse among the options available. Its extensive integration possibilities, user-friendly interface, and free plan makes it a compelling choice for businesses of various sizes and budgets. However, It's important to evaluate the specific requirements of your business and consider factors such as automation capabilities, email design options, customer support, and integration possibilities when making a final decision. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.